My name is Christian Yo, and I'll be doing Unit Q, PQ 5, number 14. And our question is 1 over 1 plus cosine plus 1 over 1 minus cosine. And the best thing to do for this equation is basically just multiply by the conjugate, which for both sides, for both fractions. So for this side we'd be multiplied by 1 plus cosine x over 1 plus cosine x, and on this side it would be 1 minus cosine x over 1 minus cosine x. And by doing this, we're basically like how we do with fractions. In order to add two fractions together, we have to have the same denominator. So then we would be left with 1 minus cosine x all over 1 minus cosine x times 1 plus cosine x plus 1 plus cosine x all over 1 minus cosine x times 1 plus cosine x. And now we have the same denominator, so like basically we could add the two fractions together, so we'll have 1 minus cosine x plus 1 plus cosine x all over 1 minus cosine x, 1 plus cosine x. And now since we have minus cosine x and plus cosine x, we can basically just cancel those two out. So we're left with 2 all over, and once we multiply the denominator, we get 1 minus cosine squared x. And knowing 1 minus cosine squared x is one of our Pythagorean theorems, which simplifies to sine squared x. So we're left with 2 over sine squared x, which then simplifies, since we know that sine of x is equal to 1 over sine of x is equal to cosecant. It's basically just the reciprocal. So we know that 1 minus sine of x is equal to cosecant x. Since we have 2 on top, it just reduces to 2 cosecant squared x. And that is our simplified answer.